Right, so I've had this doubled in for probably 10 years now, and I wanted to update the actual sat nav. So I think this is it's actually Map Factor, or Navigator Free by Map Factor GPS. It's a navigation app. This is on Android. It's an Android head unit. It's probably about 10 years old. And it wouldn't download the maps because I cannot connect to the internet in the car on the driveway. The internet is just not strong enough. It just won't pick it up. So I thought I'd take it out of the car, stick it in the workshop, jerry rig it to a battery, a little charger here, and download it in the workshop where I've got full Wi-Fi. All I've done is take the actual main ISO plug, or whatever you want to call it, and you've got your yellow, black and red leads there, close up so you can see them. Your red is your permanent live, your black is your earth, and your yellow is your switch. So basically I've connected the red and the yellow together into one wire, and then that goes straight to the live, and I've connected the black to the earth, and then it comes on, and you just basically use it as normal as if it's in the car. It's not ideal, but it works. So hopefully now, I'm now about halfway through the download of British maps. So hopefully this will go on to the SD card, which is now in the Navi slot, and I should have full navigation. So quite an easy little jerry rig job. If I do this, make sure your connectors are really well insulated. You don't want to actually cash them together or anything like that. So I'm basically, and keep it as safe as possible because you don't want to fuse your actual unit. So if you do this, you do it at your own risk. So hopefully that will do it. I'll update you on another video at some point. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you probably in the next video.